Good morning to one and all present over here. Myself Shlok Kore from grade 5. My name is Shlok Kore from grade 5. Today I am going to tell you today's day and date. Today's day is Thursday and today's date is 19th December 2022. Thank you and have an excellent day.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Arjun Patel from grade 5C. Today I am going to share today's thought for you. Liberation is what every nation demands and every nation seeks. I repeat my thought. Liberation is what every nation, every soul demands and every nation seeks. Thank you and have an awesome day. Good morning everyone. My name is Shruti Sachin from grade 5.
And I am Siddhi Patil from grade 5.
And I am Krishna Pradeep Sharma from grade 5.
And I am Nitali Shrikant Vagare from grade 5.
Do you know what is the importance of today?
Yes. Every year at 19 December we celebrate Goa Liberation Day.
Why do we celebrate Goa's Liberation Day?
It is a day when Goa became free from Portuguese rule in 1961. It's a special day for India and Goa.
Do you know why Goa is special?
Goa was ruled by the Portuguese for 450 years. It has beautiful beaches and rich culture.
How did Goa get freedom?
Indian Army helped Goa become free in 1961. This mission was called Operation Vijay.
How is this day celebrated every year?
People in Goa celebrate with parades and events. Schools and communities remember the heroes. We at Shraddha Olympiad School emphasize that we must remember our great heroes